How is it going, guys? It's Steven from Break Free Homestead. Today, we're in the mess of the addition. Stuff has been piling up in here. We got some new kitchen parts in that we haven't installed yet. We got the installation. We got the old fridge that's got to get out of here, but we're waiting on our new dishwasher to sell the whole set. Lots of moving pieces. I have a tool pile, a big fat mess, but today we're going to try to get some insulation up in here. It is getting chilly. The roof got done. I'll have to show you guys that. I didn't record any of it. I had somebody help me do it, and we were just banging it out, trying to get it done as fast as possible, so there's no content on that. We're using faced insulation here for the 24-inch, obviously. And then on top of that, we'll do a couple of rows of the unfaced stuff, because you don't want to do paper on the back of it, whatever. So just give your face, your vapor barrier, and then it's just insulation from there. Hey, look down there. If you're not subscribed already, would you please drop down below, hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel out as we grow. Make sure you follow us. We're doing a 14 by 14 edition. It's going to be a dining room, entryway, and then we transformed our dining room and kitchen into a giant kitchen. So check those out. 2 playlists down below. We'd love to have you. All right, guys, let's go. Put this stuff up there. Be done with this. I need to clean out this freaking room. It is a big mess, and getting to my last straw on it. So let's take care of it. All right, guys, so I have most of the first row in. I just got to do this, and then basically I'm going to leave this portion open until I finish all the stuff inside the multiple layers, and then I will work my way here and then close it in. So let's get up there. A little bit more paper to do, and then we'll get to the unfaced rolls. First off, I'm gonna say it. What kind of idiot doesn't wear long sleeve shirts when you're installing insulation? I'm gonna pay for it. But we are all nice and buttoned up here. We had one break down the middle here, and it's holding up pretty well if you get it pretty tight. We have our 3 layers stacked opposite on each row. We used our insulation knife, I'll link it down in the description down below, and that worked out pretty well for us. Where the rafters come down, we cut it back about 3/4 of the way, tucked it nice and tight in there. We do have the vents, so we didn't have to worry about spacing. But that's pretty much it, guys. We finagled it. Right there is where we came out of. I think it looks pretty good. Hopefully this keeps us nice and toasty. I'm sure the miss will be very excited that it's going to be warm in the house tomorrow. It's been getting pretty nippy, so